Hello guys. So, if you want to add a location on Google Maps, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly what you have to do is just simply open Google Maps. Then just simply go to a location where you want to add a location of. So, let's say for example over here. Then all you have to do is just simply hold on a screen for a few seconds until the pin comes. After that happens, just simply scroll up this part. Then click on add a missing place. Now just simply enter the details regarding that place which you want to add. So I'm going to name it pet shop. Then add the category. Then if you want to click on located within, meaning a place nearby that particular destination that you just marked, you can add that as well, but I'm not going to do that. Now if you want to add more details, you can click over here, click on the hourly rate, websites and about everything like that, but I don't know that, so I'm just gonna click on submit. You can also add photos by clicking on add photos. If you want to click some photos and then add them, if you want that, you can do it over here, but I'm not going to do any of that. So all you have to do is just simply click submit over here, then give it a few seconds, and now the location is added on Google Maps. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.